back, guys. Today I'm gonna cover the linked list class in the collection framework. The linked list class uses a doubly linked list to store the elements. It provides a linked list data structure. It inherits the abstract list class and implements list and DQ interfaces. Java linked list class can contain duplicate elements, maintains insertion order, and is non-synchronized. In Java linked list class, manipulation is fast because no shifting needs to occur, and the Java linked list class can be used as a list, stack, or a queue. In the case of a double linked list, we can add or remove elements from both sides. So because our linked list class is like a doubly linked list, we can add or remove elements from both sides. The doubly linked list class can contain duplicate elements as has an insertion order and is non-synchronized. And it can be used as a list, stack, or a queue. So that's how linked list works in Java. I'll follow you with some examples of the linked list after this. Alright, now let's see an example for a linked list. First of all, we'll have a class called class main, and inside it we'll have the main method, and after that let's say linked list, and we'll import the linked list using the java.utility package, and we'll give this as type as string, and after that we'll call this lol and make it equals to new linked list. Okay, now we'll add some values. We'll add some string values. First we'll have Kulesh, then we'll have Ramesh, and we'll have another one, we'll have Sudesh. Okay, now we added some values to our string linked list. Now to print it, let's have an iterator. Iterator string ir equals lol dot iterator, and we'll have a while loop. In here we say ir dot hash next, and after that we'll print it out using ir dot next. Alright, now let's run this and check the output. We got our values printed. First comes Kulesh, then Ramesh, then Sudesh were printed. This is how the linked list adds values to it. We have added the values in order, and the iterator showed the values in the correct order of insertion. Alright, here I have made another example for our linked list. I have made a string linked list and printed the values before adding values, and after that I have added Ravi, Vijay, and Ajay and printed the linked list after that. Then I have added Gaurav for the index 1 of this linked list. So after that another linked list example has been printed, and then I have made another linked list and added Sonu and Hanuman. After that I have added the second linked list to the first linked list by the add-all method. Then I have printed the linked list again, and again I have made another linked list and added John and Rahul. After that I have added the first the third linked list to the index 1 of the first linked list. And after that I have printed the linked list, and then I have added another value lowercase as the at first for the linked list, the first linked list, and I have added harsh as the last element by the at last method to the linked list, and after that I have printed the linked list. Let's see this in action. Okay, here we got our result. We got, after invoking add method, Ravi, Vijay and Ajay, and after that we have printed, after invoking index, we have printed Ravi and Gaurav as the first index now here, and Vijay and Ajay. And after that I have added all the values of the second linked list to the first linked list and printed it like here, like in here. We have printed Ravi, Gaurav, Vijay, Ajay and Sonu and Hanuman. And after that we have added other values to our linked list and printed it as Ravi, John, Rahul, Gaurav, Vijay, Ajay, Sonu and Hanuman. After that first method we have added lowercase as the first element in our linked list. After that, after adding add last method, we have added harsh as the last element of the linked list. This is how we use some methods inside the linked list in our linked list in class. Alright, now let's see another example for our linked list. Here I have made another linked list with the type string as LL and added Ravi, Vijay, Ajay, Anuj, Gaurav, Harsh, Virat, Gaurav again, Harsh and Amit to the linked list. And after that I have printed the linked list. And then I have removed Vijay from the linked list and printed the linked list again. And next I have removed the first index 0, that means Ravi, from the linked list. Then I have made another linked list called LL2 and added Ravi and Hanuman. And after that I have added the second linked list to the first linked list by add all method. After that I have removed all the values from the second linked list from the first linked list. And after that I have removed first from the first linked list, and I have removed last value from the first linked list. And then I have removed first occurrence Gaurav from the linked list, and after that I have removed the last occurrence Harsh from the linked list. And finally I have removed every element in the linked list using the clear method after invoking it. Now let's run this and check the output. Here we got our output. First the values, elements Ravi, Vijay, Ajay, Anuj, Gaurav, Harsh, Virat, Gaurav, Harsh and Amit were printed. So we have added duplicate values like Gaurav again and again in the linked list. And after that I have removed the zeroth index Ravi from the linked list. And after that I have printed it, and Ravi has been gone. And the updated linked list was printed after that. Then by the remove all method I have removed the second linked list from the first linked list. And from remove first and remove last I have removed the first and the last values of the linked list. And after that by the method remove first occurrence I have removed the value Gaurav, the first Gaurav occurrence from the linked list. And after that by the remove last occurrence method I have removed Harsh from the linked list from the occurrences, and by invoking the clear method I have removed every element in the linked list. That's what I have done here. Now we'll see a method that would give our values in the descending order. First of all, let's create a class called class main, and inside it we'll declare the main method. And here we'll make a linked list. We'll have a linked list main, and we'll have the type string added to it, and we'll call this li and make it equal to new linked list. And then we will add some values. We will add Mercedes, we will add BMW, and after that we will add Lamborghini value, and we will add another value called Toyota, and after that we will make a iterator. We say iterator IR equals li dot I descending iterator. This is the method that gives our values in the descending order. After that we will have a while loop and say ir dot as next, and then we'll print the values using ir dot next. Now let's run this and check the output. We got our values. First comes Toyota, then Lamborghini, then BMW, and then Mercedes. These values were printed in the reverse order or the descending order of elements that were added to our linked list. That's what we did here. Now let's see some other methods in the linked list. For the linked list, we'll remove this and we'll have an if that says if li dot contains Lamborghini, if the li linked list contains Lamborghini, we'll say we'll print out s out that says li dot size. Alright, let's run this and check the output for our methods. We got 4 printed. 4 is the size of the 4 is the number of elements in this linked list. So because the linked list contained Lamborghini, we got our size 4 printed when we ran this code. So because the Lamborghini was there, we got the size as 4. Let's change this to another value and see the output. We did not get any answer because the linked list does not contain anything that goes with the name Lamborg. That's what happened here. Now let's see 2 more methods for our linked list. We'll remove this from here and we'll say li dot get and provide the index for the get method. We'll provide 1 this time, and we'll cut it from here and we'll have an s out and print it there. And after that we'll set li dot set and provide an index here. I'll provide 2 and make it panda, and after that by an s out I'll print the linked list again. Now let's run this and check the output. First of all, we got BMW because it's in the first index of the linked list. And after that, after setting Lamborghini with Panda by the second index, we got Mercedes, BMW, Panda and Toyota printed as the output for this code example. Now we'll see two more methods for our linked list. We'll have an S out here that says li.poll, and after that we'll have another S out that says li.poll first, and after that we'll have another S out saying li.poll last, and after that we'll have an S out to print the linked list again in the end. Now let's run this and check the output. We got the value Mercedes first because in the poll method it removes the first element in the linked list, and because we remove the first element, after that BMW was deleted when we invoked the method poll first, and after that Toyota was removed from the linked list because we used the poll last method. The poll last method removes the last value and returns the linked list. And finally, because there was only Lamborghini left, the linked list printed Lamborghini value for the output. That's how the poll first, poll last and poll methods work in Java linked list. Now we'll see more methods of our linked list. For our linked list, we'll have an S out here that says li dot, this time peak, and after that we'll have another S out saying li dot peak first, and finally we'll have another S out saying li dot peak last. And after that we'll have the final S out as promised and print li, the linked list. Let's run this and check the output. This time we got Mercedes as the output because peak method removes and prints the first value of an linked list, and the peak first removed Mercedes again and printed it. And after that peak last removed Toyota from the linked list and printed it. So after this out, we got Mercedes, BMW, Lamborghini and Toyota printed. So the peak first brings out values and it doesn't remove them, but it prints them out. That's what the peak methods do in Java linked list. Peak got the first value and printed it. Peak first printed the first value again by the peak first method, and finally peak last printed the last value of our linked list. Now we'll see some other methods. We'll have an S out here that says li.offer, and we'll pass a string value to this. We'll give this Corolla, and after that we'll have another S out that says li.offer first, and here we'll give Panda, and lastly we'll have another S out that says li.offer last, and here we'll give the value Suzuki. After that we'll print the linked list again. Let's check the output and understand this code. So here what happened was the offer method gives a value to the beginning. Offer method offers a value to the linked list and prints true if the value can be added there. And after that, the offer first adds the value to the beginning and gives the boolean value if the value can be added there. And lastly, offer last gives the values to the end, offers the values to the end and gives true if the value can be added there. So the final output we can see is true, true, and Honda, Mercedes, BMW, Lamborghini, Toyota, Corolla and Suzuki as the output. So here what happened was Corolla was offered for the linked list and added inside the linked list, and Panda was added to the first index of the linked list, and lastly offer first added Suzuki for the last index of the linked list. That's what happened here in this code. Alright, let's see the final method for our linked list. We'll give li.push this time, and for the value we'll give the value Suzuki. And let's print this out and check the output. Let's print this array linked list and check the output. We got Suzuki, Mercedes, BMW, Lamborghini and Toyota added, whereas the push added the Suzuki as the first element for our linked list. That's what the push method does inside our linked list. Alright, I think you have learned a wonderful lesson from me about the linked list collection in the collection framework in Java. So I hope you will understand everything that I taught you about the linked list, and I hope you will practice and learn about them in the future. So today's lesson is over. I'll see you in another lesson another time. Until then, goodbye guys, and please take care.